Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying your controller and connection. You need a PC or console tool that supports input automation. Choose a reputable auto-clicker or mapping app. Plug the controller in or pair it via Bluetooth, and make sure it has at least 50% battery. Unstable power breaks macros. Once done, enable any accessory or developer mode required by the software so the tool can read controller inputs. This lets you create reliable, repeatable button events instead of trying quick manual fixes that fail. Now you configure the software. Run it as administrator so it can intercept inputs. Map the specific Xbox button to a click macro and define the repeat rate, interval, and duration. Shorter intervals create faster clicking, but can be blocked by anti-cheat, so pick a realistic pace. Use transitions to explain why. Precise timing prevents missed inputs and reduces wear. Test the macro in a harmless program or offline mode. This confirms mapping and helps you fine-tune delays without consequences. Finish by saving your profile and binding a dedicated toggle so you can start and stop auto-clicking instantly. When you run it, observe whether inputs register. If not, make sure drivers are current and the app has required permissions, and verify your connection is stable. If inputs are dropped or flagged, reduce the repeat rate. This balances reliability with speed. Finally, keep a backup profile and turn off macros in multiplayer or competitive environments to avoid bans. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.